Hi everyone, my name is Lucas, aka Heat Source. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about continuous Kirby wraps, which look something like this. Okay, so just a couple of prerequisites: a good clean finger spin, as well as just the single Kirby wrap. You want to be pretty comfortable spinning both directions for a nice little flow routine. So in this video, a quick outline, I'm going to talk about the continuous Kirby just in and of itself, and then I'll show you some fun little variations that you can try as well. To start the continuous Kirby, pick one of your hands and pick a finger spin that you feel most comfortable with. So, once you are in your finger spin, bring your other hand and you're just going to use these three fingers and you're going to pinch your, you're just going to pinch the top of the Flowstar. Now, to do it continuously, the hand underneath switches from a finger spin into like a few more fingers so that I can also get a good grip on the other side. So not only am I gripping with 3 or 4-ish on the top, but I'm also got quite a few fingers underneath. And I kind of interlace them so that I've got a good grip on the center of the Flowstar. It's very useful or important for the full effect if you don't grab too much diameter. The more you grab in the center, the more the whole Flowstar will wrap, and I believe that is the nicest effect. So just to demonstrate the difference, if I grab a lot of the Flowstar, it won't wrap as much as if I grab just the middle. So let's get going. We grab the middle, introduce a few more fingers on the other side, and keep doing your continuous Kirbies. What I'm doing right here is I'm doing it in the horizontal plane. Let's talk variations. The fun variations is just actually how to exit and also doing them on the vertical plane. So variation 1 on the horizontal, get into your continuous Kirbies. This would be the classic exit, I guess. Pick your favorite direction and release into a toss. Variation 2 on the horizontal plane. Get into your continuous Kirbies. This one you do have to pick the right one. When it's spinning away, bring it around your neck. Variation 3 is now going to be on the vertical plane. So get into your continuous Kirbies and then switch into wall plane. This one is very fun, very visual as well. From here, you can also exit. However, I like to exit like this and tidy up into a shoulder roll. That's tricky though. Feel free to explore on your own different ways to exit. And that pretty much summarizes the Kirby wraps. My name's been Lucas. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, happy flowing. I'll see you in the next one.